Right. What's up, guys? Let's get busy here. Got a nice light. Gonna try to repair it. You see the condition of it now. Gonna try to make it look brand new. Oh man, this thing been through World War III. I hope you guys enjoy the restoration of this thing. So let's get started in this thing. First things first, see this mirror here is broken. I got a nice replacement for it. Where are you? What's that? Allen head. Maybe this size. Too big. That can work. Oh man, these things are on there. So this light been with us for quite some time. And has a lot of damage to it. Now, how am I going to glue this thing on? Oh, yeah. All right. Figure that out soon. That's the first thing. Let's try to clean up some of these other things. Just see if you follow me. Right. Ooh, happening here. All right, now you guys get to see the inside. See all the broken mirror in here. And cobwebs. Ah! All right, let's see. What happened here? Oh, snap. I got one motor disconnected. Where does this one go? Oh, no. One. Oh, two. My shutter. That's for the shutter. Oh, that's why it never worked. Okay. Well, I'll be trying to clean all of this stuff up. See if most of these things are still moving. All right, prism is moving. Color wheel moves. Gobos move. Let's see if this autofocus move. Oh yeah, autofocus moves. See if it goes up and down. Yep, autofocus moves. All right, let's start cleaning this bad boy up. I need some alcohol. I'll be back. Woohoo! I gotta get edited. All right, we're gonna get some ISO and start cleaning this bad boy up. Woo! This thing is dirty. Gotta get a microfiber up in here. Whew, that's a lot of crud in there. Let me see if I could vacuum some of that stuff out. All right, so this is pretty soft. You don't have to worry about this scratching up anything. All right. So there is a lens in here. I'm trying to avoid scratching it. If at any point I could. All right. One side. Then he has air vents in here. As you can see, this thing is corroded. Ooh, paint's coming off everywhere. Oh, gotta stop the rust. All right, let's see how some of this electronics are looking. Oh man, making a mess here. Okay, get back here. Oh. Try to clean up the place a little. All right. So now, do I want to take it fully apart, or do I just want to clean up the lenses? All right. Now let's try taking this part out. Seems like there's one piece here. All right. Just bolt it to the back. Let's get some more tools. So this don't go in there. Seems like everything is in order. All the belts don't look broken. Well, this is only the front. Because I need to clean both sides of this lens. Let's get some tools. right. Let's move this aside. This is dirty too. Oh yeah, standard metric sizes. Don't lose it, buddy. Don't lose it. Okay. Oh wow, that's a long screw. Oh, what'd I say? Don't lose it. All right, hold my side. Let's come around. All right, let's take a look what we got here. Looks like my fingerprints. Ooh, this thing is dirty. That's why I'm taking it apart. Let's see if I can clean this lens up. Got 4 screws. Let's take it apart. That's 1 bolt. Then there were, where's the other one? Oh, 2 bolts. Come here, I'll fix it. Cause I wanna fix it. I wanna fix it. It's a little too shallow. Let's see if I can get quarter. No. Where's my quarter? Quarter. What'd I do for a quarter? leaves bit there. Sneaky, sneaky, get in there. Come on. I'm not trying to take you fully apart. How about I make myself a little room here? Ooh, how easy was that? Oh, I don't even need to take out this stupid thing. Let's put it back. Alright, got 2 screws right here for the lens. I should be able to buy a new one, but let's see if I can try to save it. It's the name of the game. Save some money. Ooh, let's see if you come out now. Oh, wow. Look at this big chunk of glass. Looks like my glasses. This inside is clean. Let's see if we could try to clean up the outside. Should get some microfiber. Some glass cleaner. Let's see some free stuff. Still got a haze on it. Hopefully it wasn't burned in. I really gotta polish it. Let's try some ISO. ISO and a microfiber. Don't use these on your eyeglasses. Come on, buff off. Huh, it's 10 times better. Yeah, why? Might need something a little bit more tougher. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, don't scratch, baby. A little pressure. I just really got to polish. All right, I'll get back to this. This is gonna be some trouble here. Actually, let's clean up the housing. while I'm at it. Parts. You know what? I'm gonna take this thing off. Da, 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 da. Right, situated this way. Woo! Some corrosion here. Well, it's not gonna affect anything in performance. Just getting the dust off. Well, if you don't hear me say it now, I'll probably do a voiceover. This looks universal. I could put it back on anyway. Orientation. All right. All right, get this back together. One, two. Goes on the sides. One, two. So a little moisture here. Da, da, da. There's the 4. Always find the groove, otherwise you'll be cutting new threads and compromise its integrity. You know you found the groove when it goes in nice and easy. Let's clean up the motors and the shutter blades. Ooh. Well, I should be using lint-free cloth, but we use what we have. All right, 100 times better. I'll deal with lint any day. Yeah, baby. Let's clean it up. Even my hands, clean everything. Right. Let's get this assembly back together. Actually, no, I can't. Gotta wait for the glass. Let's put this down that way. Gotta wait for the glass. All right, what else we got? Got my 3 prism faucet here. Oh yeah, this is nice. It's not dirty. Let's get it out the way. Another focusing glass. Don't need to take that out. Let's see if I can lower it. Yeah, it's looking nice. Can I see the bulb down there? Yep. This is good for now. Let's check out these color wheels. Start from the first, which is open. It's open. Then could lift up and out. Just slides right in. You can see it's a little bit. It was a little dirty. Let's get a clean side. Got some alcohol on there. Oh yeah. Next, I should be using gloves. Oops. You know what? Let's get some gloves so I don't put some grease on them. Then my fingerprints will really be stuck in there. All right, now I got some gloves. Let's try this again. Looks good. Can never tell. There's a little groove and latch on it. So let's put it back the way it was. Pop. Sits right there. Nice. There we go. Second color, who knows? I can't tell what color it is. Oh, this looks like yellow. I got a little damage there. Still good though. Oh, this looks like blue. Well, as soon as we get through this color wheel, gonna fire it up. Or wait, I gotta check the bulb. Can't just fire it up. Gotta make sure there's a bulb. Select pink or magenta. Right. Got green here. Let's get some more fluids. I think this is purple. Oh, just like the gloves, right? Once it's clean. Yeah, I got some lint, but doesn't concern me. That's what happens when you let your stuff go. Just stays in a corner and just rots. Oh, we got red here. Can't really, there we go. Like pink. Oh no, another purple maybe? I don't know. Half of these colors look the same. So you look at that, that looks like yellow. I had a yellow in here already, didn't I? Or is this blue? I don't know. So many different shades. Who knows what color's what? Actually, there is a manual that I was following on the website, but that only helps so far. Doesn't tell you what to do when they get dirty. Oh, look, orange. Well, we have a party coming up, so hopefully this will be ready for it and works and functions. Greenish. Got some streaks on it. Look at that. It even got some wear on it. Once it ain't broken, I'm not trying to get new colors. And last one. Wearing gloves is so much at ease. You don't have to worry about fingerprints. Okay, just make sure they're sitting properly. Well, they're not going to go nowhere. All right, open. Gobos, we don't really need to clean those. They're all metal, except for one, which is glass. Check out right there, it looks pretty clean. All right, for the most part, everything else looks in order. Now, why are all these unplugged? Well, at least there's no cables going to them. Power. Fuses. Oh, don't need you. You know what, let's take this off. Since I'm in the mood for cleaning. You know, I have an electric screwdriver right here, and I'm still using my hands. I think it's faster by hand. I don't know. Or I have more feelings. It's all about the feelings. There we go. I got a data cable. Let's see if I can plug you. There we go, nice and easy. It's a lot of raised. Look at that. A little bit of rust does. Just takes everything off the powder coats. I don't need stuff floating around. This is the display, which I don't really need. Well, yes, I do. Yes, I do need this. Wow, that's some seriousness there. You guys saw that before me? Hey, is that a pocket? Guess that's just to divert airflow. Let's get some of this powder coating out of here. Oh, that's just paint. All the wiring looks secure. So all the motor controls. Hey, I got an open one. Guess that's for a moving head. They use the same control board. Wow. All you're missing is yaw. Transformers back there. Everything's plugged in. Nothing corroded out. Fuses look good. Let's test out these fuses. Rectifier looks a little bent. There we go. Oh, all in all, pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Just a little dirty. Ballast is down there. All right. Let's see this bulb. Get some bulb action. Easy enough to take out a bulb. It's 2 screws. It's pretty dirty down here because we really don't hang these lights up. We always rest them on a base. And that's right, guys, this is not an LED light. This is a halogen. Same as HIDs. Woo. Huh. Pretty good. The adjustment screws look a little corroded. Nothing looks burnt. Socket looks good. See, there's 2 different sizes. There's only one way it goes in. Yeah, got some time left on here. Just clean them up. Let's put you here with some foam. All right, guys, about to call it a day. Catch me for part 2 when I finish this.